Well, the other big story here today, the question of whether Corpus Christi Mayor Paulette Guajardo should be removed from office. That's in the spotlight now for a second day as the city council continued hearing testimony over the city's $2 million investment in the downtown Homewood Suites project.
In today's hearing, the mayor spent hours on the witness stand answering questions from the attorney representing the petitioners. Attorney Doug Allison had Mayor Paulette Guajardo on the witness stand for more than 4 hours, questioning her about her role in the Homewood Suites development. Petitioners claim a FEMA document had been altered as part of a scheme to steer $2 million in city money to the hotel's developers.
Allison also pointed out that staff with the Corpus Christi Regional Economic Development Corporation had recommended against providing the full amount. That's because they believe that the project would not create enough high-paying jobs nor have a meaningful economic impact. Allison wanted to know why the mayor chose not to follow that recommendation.
Again, it's a recommendation that certainly weighs in.
Okay, but it's another, I guess, example then of at the end of the day, it's your decision and you're responsible for it.
I've answered the question, Mr. Allison.
Right, and at the end of the day, you're responsible for the decision you make.
The board, yes, is responsible for the decisions we make.
That's what it says in the transcript.
Now, as mentioned, the questioning continued for hours. At one point, the mayor stopped the proceedings to ask Allison what the word shirk meant before responding to his question.
Again, you're not trying to shirk any responsibility off on the professional staff over at CCRADC, are you?
What does shirk mean?
Okay, you're not trying to say, oh, the board told me to do this, and so, you know, it's their fault, not my fault. Agreed?
Right.
Zero.
Council is expected to reconvene for additional hearings on August 6th and August 7th, beginning at 9 a.m. when the mayor's attorney is expected to present her defense. Attorneys for both sides agreed to that schedule late yesterday.
Now, after those hearings, the council is expected to set yet another date for closing arguments and for deliberations.